we are going to learn the necklace part 2. In the previous lecture, we have started part 2 on page number 22. Okay, but we will start from first paragraph. Okay, because in the previous lecture, few of the part we have completed, or first 2 or 3 paragraph we have completed, but we will revise and learn from first paragraph on page number 22. Okay, they looked in the folds of her dress, in the folds of her cloak, in her pockets, everywhere. So Mathilde and her husband, they started searching their lost necklace, because Mathilde had lost necklace in the party or in the cab. She didn't know about that. So they started searching in the folds of her dress, in the fold of her cloak. Cloak is what? A garment worn over other clothes, and everywhere they started searching in pockets, etc. But they could not find it. They could not find the necklace. Are you sure you still had it on when you left the hall? He asked. Husband asked. Mathilde's husband asked Mathilde, are you sure that you still had the necklace around your neck when you left the party hall? Yes, I touched it in the hall at the ministry. Mathilde said. Yes, she was sure. She said that she had touched the necklace in the hall at the ministry before leaving the hall. But if you had lost it in the street, we could have heard it fall. मैथिल्ड के हस्बैंड ने कहा कि अगर तुमने वो स्ट्रीट पे अगर लॉस्ट किया होता, स्ट्रीट पे अगर गिर गया होता, तो उसके गिरने की हमें आवाज सुनाई दी होती. We would have heard the necklace fall. It must be in the cab. Husband was sure that the necklace must be in the cab. The necklace must be fallen in the cab. Yes, that is probably it. Did you take his number? So Mathilde was not sure about that, but she asked her husband, did you take taxi number, cab number? No, husband said. They stared at each other. Stared means looked at each other. They looked worriedly at each other. Stunned. Stunned means shocked. They were shocked. उनको बहुत एक शॉक लगा था कि क्योंकि इतना एक्सपेंसिव डायमंड का नेकलेस खो गया था और वो कहाँ गिर गया था उनको याद नहीं आ रहा था. That was a great shock for both of them. So they both were stunned. They both were shocked. At last, Loisel put his clothes on again. Loisel means Mr. Loisel, or Mr. Loisel means Mathilde's husband. So at last, Mathilde's husband put his clothes, means he wore his clothes on again. I am going back, he said. Over the whole route we walked and see if I can find it. So husband said to Mathilde that he was going back and he would search the whole route, the whole path, the whole road that they walked, and he would search if he can find it. मतलब उसने कहा कि मैं सर्च करता हूँ और मुझे वो नेकलेस मिलता है कि नहीं मैं देखता हूँ. So husband started walking to that route. He left. Okay, husband left the house. She remained in her ball dress all night. Her mind blank. Her mind was blank. Okay, she could not think about anything. She could not say about anything. There was no any other thought in her mind. Okay, and she remained silent. She did not change her clothes. Okay, then उसके बाद her husband returned at about 7 o'clock. He had found nothing. Husband had found nothing. He returned empty hands. He went to the police, to the newspaper, to offer a reward to the cab companies. Everywhere the tiniest glimmer of hope led him. Okay, so husband went everywhere. Husband went to police to give complaint about necklace. Husband went to newspaper to give advertisement about necklace, and he went to cab companies. कैब कंपनीज मतलब टैक्सी कंपनीज के पास भी हो गया कि एक टैक्सी हमें मिली थी, हम टैक्सी से आए वगैरह वगैरह, वहां भी उसने कंप्लेंट की. Everywhere he went because of tiniest glimmer. What is glimmer? Faint wavering light. Okay, glimmer of hope. Okay, जैसे आशा की किरण बोलते हैं कि उसे कहीं ना कहीं तो एक आशा की किरण मिल सकती थी कि कैब कंपनी हो या पुलिस हो या न्यूज़पेपर वाले हो. So to get that glimmer of hope or that glimmer of hope led him everywhere. Led him to the police, led him to the newspaper, led him to the cab companies. Okay, so he went there. Next, she waited all day in despair at the frightful disaster. Okay, so Mathilde waited all day and she was in a despair. Despair means she was in a worry, great worry, anxiety. She was in a great worry, she was in a great anxiety at this frightful disaster. Frightful, scaring disaster. Disaster means calamity. एक बहुत बड़ा संकट, एक बहुत भयानक संकट उन पे आया था दोनों पे, क्योंकि डायमंड का एक्सपेंसिव नेकलेस खो गया था और उनकी कंडीशन भी बहुत पुअर थी कि वो उसे रिटर्न नहीं कर सकते थे या उसकी मनी रिटर्न नहीं कर सकते थे. सो दिस वाज वेरी मच great disaster or calamity, big problem for both of them. Okay, so Mathilde waited all day that anyone could find that necklace and he or she would give them necklace. उसका वेट किया उसने कि नेकलेस कहीं तो मिल जाए. Loisel returned in the evening, a hollow, pale figure. He had found nothing. So Mr. Loisel, Mathilde's husband, returned in the evening after searching whole day. Okay, and he was hollow. Hollow means unhappy. Pale figure. Hollow, pale means unhappy and exhausted, tired. Okay, Mr. Loisel was unhappy. He was tired by searching the whole day, and he had found nothing. You must write to your friend, he said. Tell her you have broken the clasp of her necklace and that you are having it mended. So finally, husband said to Mathilde to write a message to her friend. Okay, Madame Forestier. उसने कहा कि तुम्हारी फ्रेंड को एक मैसेज लिखो, एक लेटर लिखो, and tell your friend that you have broken the clasp. Clasp means part of the necklace. उसने कहा कि तुम्हारी फ्रेंड को बताओ कि तुम्हारा जो नेकलेस का पार्ट है वो ब्रोक हो गया, टूट गया है, and you gave that necklace for repairing. Okay, mended means repairing. So you have given her necklace for repairing because you have broken the part of the necklace. Tell to your friend, husband said to Mathilde. It will give us time to look some more. Okay, if you write like this, it will give us time. हमें टाइम मिलेगा उसे सर्च करने के लिए या कुछ सोचने के लिए. Next, she wrote as he dictated. Okay, जैसा हस्बैंड ने डिक्टेट किया बोला था वैसा उसने लिखा. At the end of 1 week, they had lost all hope. At the end of 1 week, the whole week passed. The whole week passed, but they did not find necklace. And at the end of week, they lost all hope. उनकी सब आशा खत्म हो गई. जब पूरा वीक गुजर गया, and they did not find necklace. उनको necklace नहीं मिला. And Loisel, who suddenly looked aged, declared, we must consider how to replace the jewel. And Loisel, Mr. Loisel, who suddenly looked aged. Aged means not aged, old aged. Aged means who suddenly looked very much worried. उसको बहुत चिंता होने लगी थी, वो बहुत ही चिंता में दिखाई देने लगा. He declared, husband announced, husband declared, we must consider now, we must think about now how to replace the necklace, how to replace the jewelry. इस ज्वेलरी को कैसे रिप्लेस करना है इसके बारे में हमें अब सोचना चाहिए, हस्बैंड ने मैथिल से कहा. And so they went from jeweler to jeweler looking for a necklace. They searched jeweler to jeweler. They went one jeweler to another jeweler, another jeweler to another jeweler to replace the necklace or to look that same necklace, to search that same necklace. Okay, like the other one. Consulting their memories, they were recalling their memories. They were remembering the exact appearance of the necklace. Necklace के अपीयरेंस को वो रिकॉल कर रहे थे कि नेकलेस कैसा था, कितने डायमंड थे वगैरह वगैरह. सो दे वर कंसल्टिंग मींस दे वर रिमेंबरिंग देयर मेमोरीज, बोथ sick with grief and anguish. Husband and Matthew, they both were sick, they both were very much tired with the grief. Okay, grief मतलब क्या, दुख, और anguish, anguish मतलब worry. They both were worried about grief, and then so they went both sick with grief and anguish. In a shop at the Palace Royal, they found a string of diamonds which seemed to be exactly what they were looking for. So in one shop, name of the shop Palace Royal. In that shop, they found that exact diamond string, that exact diamond necklace, which seemed to be exactly what they were looking for. जैसा नेकलेस वो ढूंढ रहे थे वैसा नेकलेस उन्हें एक शॉप में दिखाई दिया. पैलेस रॉयल नाम का शॉप था. They were looking for, they were searching for that necklace. It was worth 40,000 francs. The cost of that necklace, जो रॉयल पैलेस नाम के शॉप में था, उसकी कॉस्ट 40,000 francs थी. They could have it for 36,000. They could buy it. They could buy that necklace for 36,000. उसका 40,000 franc था, लेकिन I think 4,000 francs discount होगा. So they could buy that necklace in 36,000. Okay, page number 22 completed. Now see on page number 23. So they begged the jeweler not to sell it for the 3 days. So they requested, Mathilde and her husband requested jeweler not to sell that necklace for 3 days because they needed 3 days to collect the amount. And they made an arrangement so that he would take it back for 34,000 francs if the other necklace was found before the end of February. So they made an arrangement. उन्होंने एक arrangement किया. Mathilde and her husband made an arrangement that he would take it back. Jeweler, that person, shopkeeper, would take the necklace back for 34,000 francs if the other necklace was found. If they found other necklace before the end of the February. Okay. Loisel had 18,000 francs which his father had left for him. Loisel के पास 18,000 francs थे जो फादर उसके लिए छोड़ के गए थे. He would borrow the rest. Loisel would borrow the rest of the amount from his friends or any other person. And he did borrow. Finally, Mr. Loisel, means Mathilde's husband, borrowed. He took loan from other person. He gave notes, made ruinous agreements, dealt with every type of money lender. So borrow किया मतलब क्या क्या किया? He gave notes. He gave notes मतलब he made such a kind of agreements. लिख के देना बोलते हैं ना कि bond paper पे लिख के देना. So he made that type of agreements. वो भी कैसे? Ruinous agreements. Okay? Ruinous. Ruinous का meaning दिया है. What is the meaning of ruinous? Leading to a heavy loss. Ruin मतलब जिस एग्रीमेंट में उसका बहुत सारा लॉस था, उस एग्रीमेंट को भी उसने एग्री कर लिया या उस एग्रीमेंट को उसने बनाया. उस एग्रीमेंट से उसका बहुत लॉस होने वाला था, बहुत नुकसान होने वाला था, लेकिन फिर भी नेकलेस को बाय करने के लिए, नेकलेस को परचेस करने के लिए नुकसान करने वाला एग्रीमेंट भी उसने बनाया. डील्ड विथ एवरी टाइप ऑफ मनी लेंडर. ही डील्ड, ओके, ही वेंट टू एवरी टाइप ऑफ मनी लेंडर. मनी लेंडर आपको पता है जो इंटरेस्ट से लोगों को पैसा देते हैं, दैट इज मनी, मतलब साहूकार बोलते मराठी मध्ये. सो Mathilde's husband went to every type of money lender. He made ruinous agreements. Then he went to get the new necklace and laid down on the jeweler's counter 36,000 francs. So इस तरह से पैसे कलेक्ट करने के बाद, अमाउंट कलेक्ट करने के बाद, he went to that shop to get to purchase new necklace and laid down on the jeweler's counter 36,000 francs. So he collected 36,000 francs and he put that amount on the jeweler's counter and he purchased, Mathilde's husband finally purchased that diamond necklace from that shop in the amount 36,000 francs. When Madame Loisel took the necklace back, Madame Forestier said coldly, "You should have written it sooner. I might have needed it." So after purchasing the necklace, when Madame Loisel, Miss Mathilde, took the necklace back, उसने necklace हाथ में लिया और Madame Forestier को वो necklace return करने के लिए वो गई देने के लिए. So at that time, Madame Forestier said coldly, what she said, "You should have written it sooner." तुम्हें पहले ही उसको return कर देना चाहिए था. Because I might have needed, Madame Forestier might have needed that necklace. Okay, so page number 23 पे I might have needed, यहाँ हम रुक जाते हैं and rest of the part of the lesson we will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.